On the 2nd of July, 2024, officers conducted a routine traffic stop. The stop ended, the driver was let go, and only afterward did dispatch confirm an outstanding warrant. What happened next, all captured on Bodycam, pulled in a second person, a locked vehicle, and a discovery no one at the scene expected.
We're gonna talk, don't.
You're not arresting me, right?
You have warrants.
No, I fucking don't.
Don't start.
For what? No.
2615 card, 405.
Can I call my brother?
2nd Street, Piqua.
What do I have warrants for?
Don't know yet. Dispatch just told me as you pulled away. Piqua.
You need another unit.
Can I call my...
Huh?
Can I call my brother?
Not till you come out here and talk to me.
Can I please call my brother first?
Not till you come out and talk to me.
Alex, call my fucking... No, you won't. You won't call him.
Yes,
I
I
have
will.
kids. Call my fucking brother.
I'm calling right now.
Come
What
here.
the do I have a warrant for?
I'm gonna talk to you about it. They have to confirm it first. They just told me as you drove away.
Anything.
Stop.
We were just at the fucking trail.
And I ran you and you didn't have one, but as soon as you pulled away, they found one.
Right.
Okay, come on.
Felony.
Huh?
Misdemeanor felony.
Just miss me.
You gonna be able to bond out?
No, they won't
I don't
be
know.
bond out tonight.
I have to go through all this.
Babe.
Call James.
I am.
He's not going to answer from your phone. Will you please let me call my brother?
You can call him but after you come here.
Every time you guys have said something like that, you never let me call nobody.
I'm gonna let you call. He's calling right now, right?
No, my brother doesn't talk to him.
Okay. Turn around.
Please let me call my brother.
Where's your phone at?
It's in my fucking car.
Okay. We'll get it.
See, Alex. Please let me call my brother.
Call him right now.
26.
Can you call him from your phone?
I can't. You can't use my phone, but we'll get yours. Just chill out.
What did I do?
I have a female detained. Can you go ahead and confirm the warrants for?
I tightened it.
I know.
That's clear.
What the f did I do?
From what I can tell, it's criminal trespass and theft out of Walmart.
Nobody stole at Walmart. That happened in Sydney today. The other day, whenever I told you, they said I was trespassing. I didn't take a fucking thing. I left my stuff at the register and I left. Please look at the footage. Please do me that favor.
That's not my charge.
Please do me that favor and just look at it.
That's not my charge.
That's not fair.
That's not my charge.
But what am I being charged on?
I told you the two
I didn't
warrants.
take anything.
I told you the two warrants.
I don't want to go to jail. I didn't do anything.
That's Piqua mess.
Will I be able to get a bond tonight?
I don't know that.
You work at the sheriff's department.
That's up to the courts.
But I thought, like, if it's misdemeanors, you could bond out the same night.
Shelby County.
Typically, yeah, Shelby County, but they put warrants out for you.
I didn't need...
Piqua 217, unruly
He
juvenile.
probably has warrants, too.
There you go. Come get my fucking phone. You're gonna have to take her car,
His
park it
brother.
over.
Who?
That's my brother.
2101.
Do you have warrants? I'm just asking.
Here.
My son has court tomorrow.
Oh shit. I have fucking court too tomorrow.
No, you don't. You have court on the 8th.
Yo, I have court for fucking goddamn eviction.
You don't have court. Your dad has court.
No,
Watching on that.
they said he'd be taking me to fucking jail anyway.
They still have to confirm it, and it's just one of those things that shows you have a warrant, but they have to confirm it. So we gotta verify first.
So that's what it is with me, too? It shows I have a warrant, but they have to confirm it? That makes no sense to me.
So I believe yours is out of Shelby. I think yours is Miami. The Piqua, Walmart.
How the did you guys know I was going to be here?
Hold on.
I'm good at what I
Yours is
do.
out of Shelby, mine's out of Miami County.
I don't know where's yours at. Did they say something?
It was Piqua.
I'm pretty sure they're both Piqua Walmarts.
No, my kid has court in Shelby County tomorrow.
26 on 2.
Go ahead.
Negative one's your warrants on a Kirkland at 405 second.
Yeah, that's you. You got warrants. Yeah, they just can't find it right now, but I can see it in my system. Theft. Walmart, theft, both of you. Trespassing and theft, both of you. Walmart.
That's fucking crazy.
I ain't gonna argue about it. It's pointless. My problem is, bro.
Will you come get my car before they do something to it, please? Come here right now. Will you please lock my car? Will you guys have my car towed?
No, we don't want to tow your car.
I would rather have my car towed than it stay here.
Is somebody here allowed to legally park it on the road?
I don't trust any of them.
2-1 and a female 2-1. Can someone drive your car? Because Pickle will tow it.
Yeah, I would rather people tow it. To be honest, I don't want it here.
You want it to?
I would rather it towed than be left here.
You're dumber. You're dumber.
I'm not dumb. I would rather pay a tow bill than not have my shit.
Because you're parked the wrong way and on the sidewalk.
That's what
No,
you
I'm not.
are.
Can one of them move your car up right here?
Look.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, look, give me a fucking shirt, man. I'm about to bunk the out because it's stupid, man.
Why, because I want my car towed?
Both of you. Did you make your call?
No, I know.
Yeah.
Man, this is crazy.
James,
Hey.
James, I love you.
Pat her down for weapons real quick and get her in my car.
They're gonna give him to Zach so he can move my car. Will you please come get my fucking car?
I'll get your keys right back as soon as he moves it.
Because we in the position of your dumb ass.
No.
Let him move the car right there so I can freaking take the keys and give it with you so we can go to jail.
You want it towed? I'll call it towed.
You'd rather have it towed?
Yeah, I'd rather have it towed.
Tow it, tow it.
You need to talk to James anymore?
No, I love you.
All right, love you. I'll be at the police station.
It's Troy, it's the sheriff.
Yeah.
It's the sheriff's
Miami County.
Man, I swear to God, she's a
Yeah.
shit.
Right now, it's sitting in front of houses.
You don't have anything.
Do you have a spare set of keys?
No.
James.
No.
Okay.
Hey, I'll be in Troy in a second to pick them up for you guys, if that's okay.
How fast can you get to Piqua?
Right now I'm loading my truck up, so 20 minutes.
So you drive faster. It doesn't take 20 minutes to get from where he's at.
I love that, you man.
I don't know where to go.
What do you want to
You go to him, wherever they tell you to get it, James.
I can't wait 20 minutes here for him. That's why I said move the car up there. I can take the keys while he's on his way here, and I'll meet him. Well, is there going to be a problem if he comes here and gets this car from here?
No problem. Park that motherfucker on the all down by.
I don't want anybody in my car.
What about what touch your goddamn car?
So I feel like we tow it? Is that...
Yeah.
All right, we're towing it, James. Just forget it.
All right, well, where do I pick the keys up so I can get it out?
It'll be with her in jail.
Where's his car, down here?
Down here. Go ahead and get a tow rolling. I'm not fighting with this. Is there anything inside that car I need to be aware of?
What car?
Yours before we tow. Anytime we tow, we have to inventory it
Why do you have to inventory my car?
to make sure there's no guns, drugs, or large amounts of cash.
I don't know what he has in there.
Who?
Alex.
Oh, this is what happens when you said tow it.
Well, then don't tow it.
It's too late now. Tow's
what?
here.
I don't know what's in there, so don't.
Right behind you, there's two pairs of gloves.
I have kids, and I told you. Don't talk to person. I don't know. You're not allowed to search my vehicle.
We're not searching it. We're inventorying it. See what we see in plain view first.
She's the only driver, so just anything in her reach, right?
Covington 603 and 604, check out.
I'm gonna call Slusher real quick, because she's the one who said tow it. Technically, it wasn't using a crime, and it is parked the wrong way.
It's still an inventory search, whether there's a crime or not. Inventory,
No, but we're kind of towing it there.
if something comes up missing, it's our responsibility. But on her request, I guess.
Well, tow's here. I'm gonna quickly search it and go.
Twenty-one.
What?
You have the right to remain silent.
I already know I'm arrested.
I'm doing this because I'm going to talk to you.
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions, make any statements. You understand the rights that I've read to you?
Yes, sir.
So you went over to your sister's house, you knocked on the door, and you drove straight here, correct?
Yeah, and then we went to the gas station and came back.
Okay. But you drove.
No.
Who drove?
He drove to the gas station.
He drove to the gas station. But whose car is it?
It's mine.
It is your car.
Hold on a minute, I'll call you right
That's
back.
why.
I'm talking
Okay.
on the shoulder right now.
Does he ever drive it, or do you always drive
He
it?
mostly drives
He
it.
mostly drives it. So do you live here?
No. He doesn't either. He lives with me.
Well, what's in the black sunglass case that's right in the middle?
I don't know. That's his sunglasses case.
His sunglasses. Is he going to say that, or is he going to say no?
I can prove that it's his. I have pictures
You have
of him showing those glasses to me. Yes,
So
I have proof. I can prove that is not my sunglasses case. Please.
Oh, the problem is it's your car.
Please let me prove it. Please.
So,
I have kids. Please.
What's going to be the crystal-like substance inside of the glass case?
Goddamn drugs they sell.
My hands are kind of tied right now.
Why?
Because you're gonna get the charge for it.
But it's not mine. They're not even my sunglasses.
You were in
case.
the car when I was just dealt with you. I found you over here.
But it's not my sunglasses case.
So
you
guys went to the gas station, you said, correct?
Yeah, and I can prove that's not my sunglasses case.
What gas station did you go to?
The one over there.
What's over there?
Clark or whatever.
So on the other across the street from like Starbucks?
Yeah.
So if I go there and get video, it's gonna show him pulling up in it.
Yeah. And I have proof right now on Messenger. If you pull it up, that is sunglasses case.
Okay, well we'll do that down at the jail, but I'm seizing it right now and I'm gonna continue. Anything else inside the car I need to be aware of?
I told you I don't know what's in there. I don't don't know.
But it's your car.
It's my car. You had no right to search it.
I'm doing an inventory.
That's not an inventory if you're charging me with it.
Do you want your... Once I find it, that's why I'm talking to you. That's why I read you your rights. Do you want your wallet to go with you to jail for all your money and stuff?
Yes, I do.
Let's break down exactly where this case ended up, based on what the footage and the responding department's own closing statement tell us. By the end of the encounter, both the man and the woman were taken into custody on their original theft and trespassing warrants, the ones tied to the earlier incident at Walmart. But the story didn't end there. During the vehicle inventory, a routine step before towing, not a criminal search, officers located a sunglasses case containing a crystal-like substance. That discovery added an additional charge for the woman, possession of a controlled substance. As for what happened after booking, whether either of them was formally charged with a felony-level possession count, whether there was a plea deal, or how the court ultimately resolved the theft and trespassing warrants, there's no publicly confirmed outcome available at this time. We're not going to fill in those blanks with speculation. If more information becomes public, that's a story for another day. What makes this case worth breaking down isn't just the drama of the roadside argument. It's how many separate legal principles collide in a single encounter. The officers had information indicating that an outstanding warrant existed, but they still needed to confirm it before completing the arrest process. The footage shows that the warrant information came in after the initial encounter, which is why the officers repeatedly explained that they had to verify it before moving forward. Two people connected to the same underlying incident can end up in the same patrol stop without it being a coincidence. When warrants trace back to a shared event, the cases often end up intertwined long before anyone involved realizes it. An inventory search before towing a vehicle is not the same thing as a criminal search, and that distinction is not just technical language. It's the legal basis officers rely on to document a car's contents, even without suspicion of a specific crime. That's exactly the door that opened here. Ownership of a vehicle can carry legal weight when something illegal is found inside it, even if someone insists an item belongs to someone else. It's not automatic proof of guilt, but it's a factor courts and investigators take seriously, especially when there's no other clear owner willing to claim it on record. Then comes Miranda. Officers read her the right to remain silent after the suspected drugs had already been discovered during the vehicle inventory. Miranda concerned statements made during custodial interrogation. It does not automatically erase physical evidence officers say they had already found. What matters here is the distinction between the evidence already discovered and anything she might say afterward. Two people, one traffic stop, and by the end of it, three separate legal problems layered on top of each other: warrants, an inventory search, and a possession charge that neither of them expected when the day started. Two people, one traffic stop, and by the end of it, three separate legal problems layered on top of each other: warrants, an inventory search, and a possession charge that neither of them expected when the day started.